Hey everyone, so just recently I bought the iPhone 13 mini from Backmarket, so in this video we'll be unboxing it and checking it out. That way you can decide whether or not you should order from Backmarket yourself. Okay, so first off I'm going to be taking off this part of the box, and I'm also going to get my knife, that way I'm able to cut the stickers off. And now let's unpackage the device. And here's the iPhone, and from what I could tell there's no scratches that I could see. And on the back there's also none either, and that stays the same for the side of the device. So let's also check out the other accessories. And you can see here there's a charging cable, and there is nothing else, but sometimes the iPhones from Backmarket also come with a power block. So if you order an iPhone from Backmarket, you can expect to get a charging cable, and you might also get a power block. Now, I did look throughout the entire iPhone for damages, and I could not find any on the front, the back, or even the frame of the device. And I did order an iPhone SE a while back from Backmarket, and I bought this one in good condition, so it did come with like one scratch on the front of the device, but there was nothing at all on the back of the device. So with Backmarket, you can expect to get very good condition iPhones. Now, if you want to know what seller to order from, you can check the reviews by going onto the website and scrolling down to the bottom, then press on the seller name, and then press on the button that says see reviews, and it'll show you here all the reviews from other people. So that is basically it for my quick review on Backmarket. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.